Okay, let's be real. Why are you even here?
Okay, I have a problem. I have a big problem.
Like, I am yapping something that you probably already know, and it's not like I'm introducing something new to the world or saying something that you don't already know. I mean, if you somehow found my channel, which barely has even subscribers, like any subscribers, and you're still deciding to watch my videos, so one option is either that you're here to waste time. So yeah, let's grab a seat and have a chat. Good. The other is that you're just trying to avoid something that you know you should be doing, but you're still here watching me talk about something that you already know. I mean, that is such a waste of time. And haven't you heard already that time is your biggest currency? And you're deciding to give it to someone who you are not even sure of, who like you don't know anything about, when you know you could have taken this time to take a chance on yourself, work on something that you deem important for yourself. So basically, you're running away from yourself.
Bitch, you better be joking.
I mean, yeah, you're willing to meditate and journal and do everything that there is to do, all the voodoo stuff, but you're not actually willing to take action and actually do things, right? I mean, that's not me saying, that's just you're here, you're still watching the video. That's just you. That's how you actually even describe a loser, right? I mean, not because you're losing something, it's because you're not willing to move. Instead of even just walking so that you move forward or running so that you excel, you are choosing to stay here. But you know what? Here's the chance. You can continue being a loser, or you could just change it up right now. Do something that you actually need to do. I mean, no video, no book, nothing on this earth can tell you what you already don't know. You already know it. Okay, I know I need to do this today. I know I have to email this person today. I know I have to apply to jobs today. I know I have to study today. I know I have to get the assignment done today. Whatever. You already know what you need to do. You can take a break, that's fine. Take a break, relax, have a good time. But also you have to get back to it. Only then that's called a break. Otherwise it's just it's what you call a loser. So if you're a loser,
Kat, what the fuck is your problem?
and if you're a winner, then you can just leave. Get that post up, make that video, shoot that reel, make that account, start the business, start the studies. You have so many things that you could be doing right now instead of watching my video. What are you even gaining by watching such videos? I mean, what will you gain by watching 10 different YouTubers talk about the same thing? What are you gaining? Nothing. But what they are gaining? Views, followers, subscribers, money. But you? Nothing. If you know their thing, if you know what they're going to talk about, they don't deserve your time. No one deserves your time. You have to understand that. You've journaled, you made a vision board, you got all the motivation that you need. But what? Where is it? Where is it going? What are you even doing? What are all these people gonna tell you what you already don't know?
You gotta be kidding.
Looking at external motivation like it's gonna save you, like it's gonna be that one thing, one driving thing that's gonna save you and change your entire life. Because you know why I know that? Because I used to be that person. I used to look at Instagram reels to wait for that one reel which would motivate me so that I'd go back to work. But you're not actually here for anything. You're stalling, you're procrastinating. Deep down inside, you know it. Like, you don't need me to tell you that. You don't need anybody to tell you that. You're probably gonna hate on me. So yeah, go ahead, hate on me. You can do whatever you want to, but you will still waste your time and not do the thing that you have to do. I mean, if you're genuinely free and have nothing to do and this is your break time, it's fine to have a break. But when I said that you're a loser, you clicked on this video. You watched it. Because deep down inside, there was a part of you that is screaming to you that you're a loser. Don't come here telling me that you don't have time. No, you do. You just choose to waste it on things that you probably don't need to do. But you're still doing it. Why? Because you want to still be in the loop. You still want to be stuck in the same loop and same scrolling and same learning. But you're not actually gaining anything. Or maybe you are and you're never ever gonna apply it in your real life. So what's the use of learning? There is no learning. It's not called learning if you're not applying, honey. You're choosing to waste your time on something. And that's what makes you a loser.
Today you lost. And you're gonna keep losing.
Not because you can't do it. It's because you're choosing to not do it. And that's the most shittiest thing that you can do to yourself. Imagine that you're brought on this earth to do something and you decide, no, today and from today onwards, for the rest of my life, I'm going to sit and scroll Instagram. And if that is your goal and that is your decision, then go ahead. I fully support you. But if even a tiny part of you screams that you want something more than this, then that is disrespect. That is disrespect for yourself.
Ew. Second of all, ew.
Maybe you don't want to hear that. Maybe I'm rude. Maybe you wanted someone to tell you that you're trying your best. Why do you even, first of all, why do you even need people to tell you that you're trying your best? You should know that in your head you're giving your best. And if you need people to tell you that you're doing your best, then you're probably not, okay? So I'm not here to tell you that. I'm not here to tell you that you're doing your best. If you're doing your best, you would know that. You would not need anybody on this earth to give you that. If you want more anti-validation, is that why you're here? Or are you like actually ready to face yourself and do the things, to do the hard, uncomfortable things that you don't want to?
Now, if you'll excuse me, unlike you, I have a future to get back to.